Hey, what up, Spaceballs? Long time no see, buddy. How are you doing? How's your night? Hey, Astro Kid, what's up, buddy? Oh no, we're on. What's up, Ron? It's been a minute, brother. Hi, Kimberly. How are you? See if I can get everything set up here. We should be good. We're going to be fighting a little bit of clouds, fighting a little bit of thunderstorms. Let me know how the view is, though. Can you guys see the stars okay? Are they coming in okay? Hi, Wolf, what's up? The green dot stars. These are going to be stars out there. We're going to be looking for meteors tonight. Hey, Mac, what's up, brother? Hi, Rachel. Good evening. Visible in the southern hemisphere? Not really. Perseids are in a sense, but not as great as what we see here in the northern hemisphere. But you'd still have two ongoing southern hemisphere major meteor showers right now. It's been a hot minute. It has been. It feels like that. Hi, Fish. What's up, Fish? How are you doing? I'm doing good. I'm doing good, Kimberly. I'm doing good. It's good to see you. Live around 11 or 12 tomorrow. It depends on the weather. Really just depends on the weather. As we watch here, there's some lightning not too far from us. We'll see it kind of flashing, so that's going to be a little bit of lightning coming through. Let me know if you guys can see let me know if you can see the stars okay, if this color palette looks okay as far as everything goes. Last night meteor count was 54. We're actually at 0. Let me reset ourselves back to 0 here. So last night we got the 54 with a super crazy fireball that came right through the center of our view. Oh, you know what? I forgot to turn on everything to make sure this works properly. Let me do this real quick. Let me make sure we get the bot going so it can actually process all this stuff for us. Right there. Get it all fired up and we should be good for the night. Hopefully it stays kind of clearish and the clouds stay away, but you never know. Hi, Mr. Creation. How you doing? What up, Bigglesworth? What's up, brother? How you doing? How's your night? Okay, that should be connected. Let's see if I can reset our count. Got sick last night. Oh, watch Spider-Man movie? I have not watched it. That I have not watched. Hi, Creations. Welcome in. Good to have you. Good to have you. Oh, that's awesome. Bigglesworth, that's amazing. 2 a.m. now in Argentina. What time is yours? Mi tiempo ahora es como 12. It's midnight currently. Hi, Sibel. How are you? Hey, let me know. Can you guys see the stars okay? Do we have enough brightness? What do the stars look like on your phone? Let me know if they're coming through okay. On a cliffhanger, I got you. I got you. You can see it's green. You only see one, or do you see multiple stars? Let me see if I can fire it up on mine as well. My screen I can see some. I can see quite a bit on my screen. How bright is my brightness? About halfway up. Let me turn it all the way up. Yeah. I can see quite a bit of stars on mine. Multiple stars. Okay, good deal. Good deal. Bit pixelated on top. Yeah, so there's trees up there. A lot of trees, and also the side of my house, or the upper deck balcony that comes out. Hi, Kyle. What's up, brother? How you doing? How's your night? Alex, good evening. Lots of stars, yeah. It's really smoky out, plus we got some of the clouds, but as far as like the meteors go through, we should capture them. We shouldn't have any problems capturing most of the meteors that fly through. We do have an autofocuser now set up on the this camera, so we can actually focus it as the night progresses and as the temperatures change and the atmosphere changes up on us. When did you start my channel? Here on YouTube? About 1.5 years ago, I had this channel started, but I never did anything until I think it was October last year, somewhere around October or so. See, watch it all the time. Yo, it's awesome. Hey, what's up, James? How's Maryland, brother? Good evening. Ah, we are in dust. In the wind, yo. Hi, Ruby. How are you? Good to see you. Good to see you in the live stream. All right, sounds good, Space. Sounds good, buddy. No notifications again, but my phone is broken. Oh, no. Okay, you live near Vandenberg? Very nice. So you get to watch the launches out there. I love it. I'm over here in Kansas City. We don't get anything. Like, we don't get any launches, obviously, in this direction. Get nothing like that. This kind of sucks, but it is what it is. I would enjoy going out and checking out some launches here and there. Hi, D2. How are you, Solar? How's your night? How many did you end up seeing last night? All right, sounds good, Braden. All right, sounds good, man. Hopefully we got clear skies here. Hopefully you have an amazing day tomorrow. I hope you have an amazing day tomorrow. I think we should be set, though, as far as everything goes. Let me see if I got this proper, too. We should be good. Okay. Let's see. Make sure my marking works here. Okay, that looks good, too. Sweet. We should be good for the night. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome, Solar. And we are made of the exact same elements as stars. Well, I mean, yeah, all the elements that we see come back towards stars. Hydrogen being your first element, and then helium. These are two gases when you talk about astronomy. Hydrogen, helium, your two gases, and the rest beyond that are metals. So when you get up to that carbon, you're talking about seeing stars that are going supernovae. Out and look at the Saturn through my telescope was pretty cool. Yo, I love it. That's amazing. That is so cool. That is amazing. Live 50 miles west of Venus. Oh, okay. I gotcha. And welcome in, by the way, everybody. Hopefully you're having an amazing evening or amazing night, whichever it shall be, or amazing morning, whichever it shall be for you. We're going to look for some meteors from the meteor shower Perseids, mostly what we're going to see tonight. There are meteors that are going to be seen also from a couple of other major meteor showers that are ongoing as well, but are focused mostly to the north and northeast. As you can see here, there's a little bit of clouds. It's not horrible. We definitely got some of the stars popping in. We got beautiful Vega out here doing Vega stuff. So the constellation Lyra, Vega out here doing their thing out there. So that's really awesome. Looks like my pointer's not lined up properly. Let me do that again. Let's see how far off that is. It's not horrible, but it's not where it should be. Wonder if I can fix that real quick. Where's that circle supposed to be? Should be right on Vega. Like that. There we go. Now we know our pointer at least will hit where it's supposed to anyways. Let's see if we can pull that back. Clear out the pin. There we go. Now we should be good. It makes me never want to put my clothes back on. Dang. Maybe put them on, though. I've been watching these satellites a lot. It's been wild. Yeah, satellites are crazy. There's so many dang satellites out there. It's insane. Hi, BM. How are you? How is Solar? Point green laser at a star, and the star will go out. I do point lasers at the stars, actually, quite frequently. And guess what? They don't go out. A couple of days ago, I went to a science place and got to use, the 20-inch telescope they have. That's amazing. No way. That is amazing. Thank you so much, D2. I appreciate it. Thank you. Well, there's a green hue, so I actually have it tended a little bit more towards the green so we can see it a little better. Does it look okay or no? Do you like the white and black, or you like kind of the greenish view? I was hoping the stars pop out a little bit easier for us. It's been way too hot this summer. Yeah, absolutely. It's been a wild summer. It's been really hot and cloudy, like crazy cloudy. Ring Nebula. Oh, and the Hercules star cluster. I love it. Both are some of my favorites. M57 and then M13. Really wonderful targets. They go out. You're a damn liar. Oh, am I? I'm a damn liar because you think pointing a laser at a star makes a star go out. That's so funny. I mean, we can actually do the experiment. It is science, right? So we can do the experiment now. And the really cool thing is being able to take criticism is what makes not only science amazing, but makes a person great. Instead of like going out and calling someone full of shit or something like that. So the cool thing is we got the star Lyra right here, or sorry, the star Vega in the constellation there. I'm gonna point the laser at it. Let's see what happens. Then you can call me a freelancing fool at that point, but then we'll really know who's full shit. Here we go. Let's do it. Shit. Guess what? Your science experiment comes back as you failed. It just ain't gonna work for you. It's still there. We point the laser at it, it's still there. So I don't know what to tell you, man. Not sure what to tell you, but there it is. That's what science does. I know, right? It's so funny. Anyways, my goodness. Yo, thank you so much, Jam. I appreciate it. How long does it take your laser to hit a satellite? It depends on the distance, so light does take a little bit of time to go out there. Yeah, do it, then get back to me. I just did, and you just watched it live. It didn't happen, did it? Love the capital letters, by the way, how you're just really wanting that attention. I gave you some attention, now you're good. Well, so many man-made satellites in space create issues for rockets being launched or returned to Earth. Yes, in a sense, but there is a lot of tracking when it comes to like satellites through the, what is it? NORCAN. NORCAN does a lot of tracking. Do you have your own telescope or just view the sky? We have about 20 telescopes here in the observatory. Hi, Gillen. How's it going, man? I see you. Welcome in, buddy. How's your night? How's your night? I think I just saw one just below the middle. Did you see one? I missed it. I was so much paying attention. I was just like concentrating on the conversation. Who needs attention? The Mark guy up on top. He said if we point a green laser at a star, it'll disappear on us. And then I told him I don't think it would. And he called me full of shit and bullshit or something. So I was like, let's do the science experiment. And obviously he couldn't take any kind of criticism when we actually did it. Some people can't read the small print. That is true sometimes. Skunk just says, Earth flat, bro, fisheye lens, bro. Yeah, we're looking not at Earth though. We're looking at the sky. So we are using a fisheye lens, but it's pretty easy to actually measure the Earth itself. We can actually do the measurement. In fact, we can figure out where things are going. NASA means lies in ancient Egyptian. I don't think you understand the ancient Egyptian. I don't think you understand ancient Egyptian and what NASA even would reference back then. Anyways, crazy. Just accidentally spilled water into all of my dinner. Now it's soup. My luck is terrible these days. Yo, you need to wait for soup until winter. No sky beneath your feet. You don't think there's any sky beneath my feet. The sky is flat, but that's too funny. I like that one. Oh my goodness, you guys are absolutely wild. Do you think Elon put mirrors on some of those satellites? Not on these satellites. There is a couple corporations that are trying to develop satellites that actually have mirrors on them that reflect some of the daylight back into the night zone, which is going to be absolutely wild. People that fail math trying to talk shit. That happens. That does happen. What's with the trolls tonight? It's just the kids, man. It's Saturday night. Kids are out. It is what it is. I was eating a burrito and now it's all mushy. That's nasty. Yo, that's crazy nasty. Hi, Denzel. What's up? How you doing? Long time no see, buddy. How's your night? What is beyond space? That's a great question. It depends on what you want to define as space, right? So you consider space as everything, and then the universe is the soup. Then space. Space is space. If you look at like the plane, it appears to go on forever. It gets into the infinite side. I have a hard time with infinite. See, I have a really hard time when it comes to infinite. But when it comes down to it, that it does seem to be what it is. And then when we look at the soup, the cosmos, the universe, it's more of a rounded shape. You think chili is soup? I say chili is a soup as a cereal. Oh, Pop-Tarts are ravioli. That's kind of funny. I think actually, yeah, I would go with that. And then you hit the mirrors with your laser, and then it will backfire on your laser machine. No, so there's a couple of different things there. One, you have to triangulate it to get to actually work properly. But using something like that would be kind of wild. Like news, trust the science. Like news, trust the science. I don't know what you mean there. Honestly, I'm kind of lost on what you're trying to say there. Do you think if you walk in a straight line for far enough, you'll eventually end up back where you started? If you can actually maintain that specific straight line, yes, you will. It's basically the absence of stuff. It would be in that sense. That would actually be correct. What is a sparkle noise? Make streaks. Anybody see streaks? I'm not too sure. I'm not seeing streaks myself. Now, if you see like a really fast line go through, that's going to be a meteor flying through. What space cycles back and isn't infinite? Then that'd be interesting. That'd be a really interesting thought. What they say, they would cease to exist without a matter. Yeah, that's true. Listen, want to see a full moon? The A8 telescope. Listen, want to see a full moon? The A8 telescope. What? Oh my goodness. Kind of crazy. What will we understand about space 100 years from now? Oh, that's a crazy question. Like if I knew that answer, then we wouldn't need to wait 100 years from now. Kids are really out tonight. That's crazy. On the equator. What about the equator? Moon with one crater on the equator. I'm so confused, guys. You guys are confusing me on some of these questions. The air you breathe comes from plants producing oxygen. Yeah, that would be correct. The Earth is a cube. It's a donut shape. Such a holes in the quilt of the sky. Wow. Anyways, here we are watching meteor showers. I got no clue what you guys are on about, but we're trying to watch meteor showers as they go through the sky. You can see a little bit of lightning out there, a little bit of clouds as well in our view, but we've got a lot of beautiful stars. This is a really wide field of view. So it is a fish angle camera. It allows us to be able to view quite a bit of the sky. It's actually really awesome. Room temperature is yeah. The sky is beautiful tonight. It is actually. Surprisingly, even with some of the clouds out here, it is a beautiful night. I'll take it. I'll definitely take it. It's only 60 or 76 degrees outside as well. Really beautiful. You think they would actually be able to make mirrors up there big enough to be a problem? Yeah, I do think so. Don't put nothing past mankind. Comes to space at Cairns and globe defender bots. Okay. Does it rain on other planets? That's a great question. If you're talking about like exactly the same rain that we get, not that we know of. I'm sure there is. Mathematically, you would say yes. But as far as other things, we see acid type rain on something like Venus. We see rain on Titan, the second largest moon in our solar system. We see rain there, but not like the rain that we have here, obviously. Let's say space is the final frontier, and still haven't figured out as much of the ocean as mystery of space. Shouldn't the ocean be the final frontier? No, not at all. We know a lot more about the ocean than we even have a clue when it comes to space. In fact, we've only been able to venture out to the moon. Put that in real perspective, or in that perspective. We mapped out quite a bit of the ocean through different ways to be able to do it, like with laser. But something like space, there's so much out there, and we can only see so far. It's very similar to, though, when we think about something like the ocean. There's a lot that you can't see, but we can at least map it out. If you don't know how the cosmos originated before any human even drew, did I even ask anything like that, dude? God doesn't exist, or I don't even know where you're like. Are you okay? Are you okay? That'd be my first question. Are you okay? What's your border level? You're an 8.4. That's crazy. Here's about 2.7, roughly about 2.7. Yeah, Venus has very toxic rain. Toxic rain. We could just start kicking out the kids. If you're not old enough to be able to have a conversation like a 5-year-old, then you're probably not going to hang out in here tonight. We're going to be hanging out. We're going to watch for meteors going through the sky. Probably not going to go on with the craziness. Alan, what's up, buddy? I see you. How's your night? How was your night? How's Virginia? How's Virginia tonight? Again, what we're going to be looking for is a fly through here. They're going to be a streak. They get kind of bright and then fade off. But satellites, if we see a satellite go through, it's almost going to be about like the size of stars, even a little bit smaller. Depends on how bright it is, right? It makes it appear larger or smaller. And they go across the screen relatively slow for the most part. Hi, Angela. Hopefully you're having an amazing night. Not much visible in South California as usual. Ah, dang. You're in Colorado again. Cloudy night. Maybe it's smoke, but can't see anything. Yeah, the smoke has been coming down from the Canadian region. A lot of it coming up from like Oregon, Washington. A lot of the fires also in Canada and coming down in our direction. Plus, you guys got a few pretty crazy fires there in Colorado as well. It's pretty well. Absolutely well. 200 meter pass. Honestly, I have not been able to pay as much attention as I normally do. I've been paying attention mostly to the comments here. Could I ask, have you seen anything strange that you would call a UFO? Define what a UFO actually means in your opinion? Like a UFO definition and the thoughts of what people want to call a UFO usually end up being two different things. I guess it depends on what's your actual question on it. Something like an alien, I have not. Objects that go by that I couldn't tell you exactly what we're seeing, sure, of course. Yeah, mostly eastern. It's western. The western fires are insane in Canada. Absolutely insane. Like going from like the state of Oregon here in the USA up into Washington, the state of Washington, then up into Canada. It's absolutely insane. Oh, Arrival's such a beautiful movie. Oh yeah, I didn't turn on the music, did I? Yeah, let's crank it up. Let's put on our music that we normally listen to. Ocean tapping, let's get it. Let me put it back on here for us. There we go. Should be on. What do you think about the AP11 mount? Never used it, so I don't have much of an opinion on it, Cosmic. Hot Central Cali. Yo, no way. How hot is it out there today? What direction am I looking at for the meteors? Mostly, I'm looking straight up and then to the north and to the east. Did you guys see one? You guys see one? I missed it. I missed it. I missed it. That's what the evidence leads us to, Brett. It's daylight there. Oh, no. Why's it gotta be like that? I missed it, though. It's Saturn out, where you are. It's going to be coming up over the horizon here soon. It's not out just yet, though. Still below the horizon. 114 tomorrow. Wow, no way. That is crazy. That is way too hot. No way. The music's gonna put you to sleep. It does that. I think it does that. How's the view, by the way, Jenny? Does everything look okay? Stars actually pop in this view. Most powerful telescope I have? Well, I've only arm wrestled a few of them. It depends. Like, so the C11 is probably the most like crazy one when it comes to focal length. You want a lot of zoom, but it depends on what you want to do. Like, do you want wide field of view? Because there's powerful small telescopes that do really amazing. But it just depends on what you want to do. They're all kind of designed to do something specific. So it's hard to say what's the most powerful because there's too much context missing. Unfortunately, dry heat is nothing compared to the humidity. I hope it's dry. Oh, dang. Stream just started. It did about 21 minutes ago. Just started about 21 minutes ago. Trying to see if we need to do a little bit of focus or not. Really can't tell. Hi, you're welcome. Yeah, you're welcome. Favorite channel on YouTube? Oh, no way, Brad. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. 35 degrees Fahrenheit. Wow. That's kind of chilly. I'm almost ready for the chilly weather, but I'm not too sure I'm that ready. Let me do a little bit of focus here. See if we can make it any better. Which way to go? We'll try there. We'll see if that works. I'm in the East Coast, USA. I'm not. I'm in the Midwestern part, right in the center of USA. Where the heck? I know 35 degrees Fahrenheit is crazy. Do you ever show Pluto? We have. Yeah, absolutely. We have. There's been times that we've gone and looked at Pluto. With the whole sky lit up. Oh, that was crazy. Explorer something great was here. Yeah, that was absolutely crazy. That was last night about 3 o'clock in the morning. That was a really nice fireball. In northern Maine, and it's 75 degrees Fahrenheit tonight. Wow. Got to see Venus tonight on the west side of the sky right after the sunset. Gorgeous. Our evening star, our evening star in the season. Which is why we're planning to move to Spokane. Well, one of the reasons. That's where most of the family lives, and it's cheaper. Nice. Very nice. At 22nd, how are you doing? How's your day? How is your day? Yeah, it's pretty. So, like, watching meteors and the Perseids season, as the Perseids come up for us, you get quite a bit of fireballs. Like, it's kind of a common thing. It's not super rare at all. Brad, thank you, brother. I appreciate it. Thank you for the love and support. Thank you so much for the love and support, buddy. I'll show you. I've witnessed a meteorite fall, and I've witnessed a sonic boom. About next morning, it's a fresh iron meteorite. Oh, that's kind of right. Nice. That is amazing, Shiny. I love it. That's amazing. I always get that mixed up. Let's just say it's okay. I got you. I got you. Again, thank you so much, Brad. Thank you so much. Oh, you're in Iowa, so you're not too far. You probably maybe even see some of these the lightning that we see here. This camera's really sensitive. The lightning, I think it is up in Iowa. It's pretty far away from where we're located. Hey, Buttercup, how you doing? How's your night? How was Buttercup? I feel like I should try to focus, but I'm scared to hit the focuser right now too. I don't know. Can't tell if we're very well focused or not. Stars look green, yeah. No stars there tonight. Oh, too many city lights. Dang it. It's in Iowa, yeah. Lightning way up there. Good distance away. Hi. How's Germany? Good to see you. Very nice to see you. How is Germany? Oh man, it's just been crazy cloudy here. Really bad with the clouds. Got one big meteorite. 6 mile pizza. Nice. Will be really stormy for you. Oh, no way. I'm so tired. I'm like absolutely tired of the clouds. Won't lie. Like, I am so tired of clouds. Kind of on my nerves, the clouds are. Wait for the 12th. You ready for the peak? It's going to be insane, I think. Honestly, I believe this year is going to be insane. Last year, I wasn't all in that and impressed. I thought last year just wasn't that great for the Piercies, but I'm hoping this year is insane. Right now, I like living in the UK then. I enjoy living where I live. Oh, thanks, Jenny. Let me post that one too. So tired of clouds. So tired of clouds. There we go. What's true color of sun? White. White light. It mostly peaks though, like in the green spectrum. That's white light. Yo, thank you so much for the star. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for that. Love it there in the cliffs of the UK. Oh, that'd be amazing. Need to figure out a way to go fly to the next star system already. That'd be interesting. That would be really interesting. I'm on a truck now. Listen. Oh, no way, Denzel. Well, I'm sitting in. Yo, that's crazy, dude. That's absolutely crazy. That is absolutely crazy. It is, because Worth it is actually on all the app stores now. App Store, Play Store, and the Microsoft Store. At the Blue Origin rocket. What was that? We're watching for meteors here. Meteor shower. In the USA. Ah, thanks, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, it's a wonderful application. I truly enjoy it myself. It's a really good application. Got some videos here. Goodness, it felt nice. The crazy 1 minute it was sunny, and then boom, clouds, wind, lightning, thunder, and rain. How to make a run for it? Nuts, yeah. Yeah. Oh, the one that blew up. Had a pretty big, intimidating looking guy. So you just see his face and I ripped the door open. Oh crap. That's too funny. That is super funny, dude. That is way too funny. Oh man. I feel like we need to focus, but I can't tell. Honestly, cannot tell. It looks like there's a lot of clouds right here, actually. We may have quite a bit of clouds right now. Let me pull up some brightness real quick. See how much clouds we have. There's quite a bit over there. Like on the bottom left side, there's quite a bit of clouds. Very beautiful. That's too funny. Alright, sounds good, Jenny. Sounds good. I think it's ever possible that life exists somewhere beyond Earth. I think so. But mathematically, I would say so. I would say so. No pineapple on the pizza, Jenny, right? Are you tired of fighting? Let me help you. Starts to look green on your on my phone. Are you seeing green too? Yeah, I actually have it overlaid with the green tonight. Is it easier to see or no? It's a lot easier to see compared to the black and white. I joined up, I bet. There's some here in the distance, lightning and bugs. Dang. Gotcha. 6'4", 280 pounds, and my wife says I look intimidating. I just say I'm a big softie. That's so funny. That's so funny. Alright, let's go meteors. Give us a big old meteor flying through tonight, please. Want a big old fireball. One bigger than we got last night. I'd be happy with that. I'd be all excited. Put some red and it'll be like Christmas sky. Dang. Quite a bit of lightning out there, though. A lot of lightning out in the distance. You see when the lightning occurs, you can actually see some of the low clouds here. All right, sounds good, Jenny. Ooh, that was bright. I think I'll be the last half of it. Oh, vital. Dang. Average meteor per hour we're looking for. Tonight you'd probably be somewhere around that 20 mark. Roughly 15 to 20 per hour. Coming right down here. Night 2. Yeah. Absolutely awesome. I was actually it was a very questionable night whether we'd be able to go live or not. Luckily we have some stars. We're going to need the brighter meteors to be able to really see these. But at least we do have some stars kind of popping in. So if we get some decent bright meteors, we'll be able to see them. And fireballs, of course. At least until the clouds get out of here. If we get rid of the clouds, then we're in good shape. 5 a.m. look nice. Oh, no way. I got you. Both nice. Oh, no. Yeah, definitely. Make sure you turn up the brightness on your phone. It's a lot easier to see the stars. Aliens should exist, but the Fermi paradox asks, where are they? Yeah. How about this? Some great filter. What do you feel the filter lights? I think distance, honestly. Distance is a huge problem. How far Kepler? 186. I cannot remember how far Kepler star system is from us. 12:34 o'clock for you. Okay, look. Same for me. Same here. Sun in for flash. Oh, okay. I got you. May end up watching a storm just fly by. Oh. I mean, those are really far away, too. I do got to pay attention because we don't want to have all the equipment out here if the rain comes through. Castle of Sparkly Emeralds, yeah. Hey, Rick, what's up, brother? Saw the meteor show today on. Dude, it was amazing. It was absolutely amazing. That's one of my favorite captures so far that we've been able to capture when it comes to a meteor shower. Perfectly centered up for us, framed nicely. It was so awesome. Hey, Skulls, what's up, brother? Flashlight keeps seeing going across the screen. Lightning out in the distance. Yep, Lyra constellation over there on the near the top center. When 5:55 a.m. Saturday was wicked cool. Honestly, by the time I got done this morning, I was done. I was ready to go inside and just sleep. End up taking a shower, of course, and then lay down and sleep. I missed it myself. I bet it was, though. I bet it was gorgeous. Crash, yeah. I was out cold. Look really hard. You can see measurement. Hi, Yasmina. How are you? How's your day? What up, Skulls? How you doing, brother? How's your day? I think those are the ones in the lifetime capture there. It was a really good one. That was a really good one. Oh, definitely one of the better captures we've got. Is the moon out tonight? Not yet. Not just yet. Still has about an hour or so. It should start coming up. I'd have to look up exactly what time, but probably about an hour or so. It'll start to pop up. It shouldn't mess with us too much tonight. Absolutely, Yasmina. Absolutely. Could be sleeping, but this is wonderful. What's up, Christina? Welcome in. How are you? How's your day? Sleep is overrated. Astronomers do it at the night. Sleeping is overrated. Thunder, can you guys hear it? I don't know how you'd hear the thunder. You guys hear thunder in the background? Airplane. Airplane! Saturday night. We'll live a little. So true. So true. Yeah, so true. That's an airplane. You guys can see it over there. heading over in here. Silly airplane. I keep one eye open, gee, smart. Couldn't capture the fireball that was, ooh, skidding across the horizon. This was back in the days before cell phone. Oh, okay. Had time to capture a lot of it. I got you. That's super awesome. Christina, thank you. Christina, thank you so much for becoming a member. Thank you so much. Make sure you join our Discord as well. Use Discord. Jump in Discord with us as well. We do appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you for the support. Hi, Zelda. Welcome in. Welcome in. Welcome in. I've had some easier moves in screen pretty quick. Honestly, it depends on the trail that it's going to take. Either you can have like a little dot, right? You can have like a little line. You can get one that goes pretty good. You can get one that goes way out there. You can have just even that kind of dot. So it just depends. They move quick though. Honestly, they move really, really quick. You can lose your mind without sleep. You can even die if you don't sleep. There's a disease called. Yeah, there is actually. Makes you not sleep. Definitely not overrated. It's overrated. Definitely overrated. I think the thought that you need 8 hours of sleep is overrated. Oh, that was bright lighting. That was super bright lighting. I'd say the meteors on the 12th. Honestly, the whole sky. And by the way, Rifty, welcome in. Good to see you again. But you want the entire sky. Mostly the north, the east, obviously. But you want the entire sky. Dark skies, lay down. Don't sit in a chair and look up. Horrible idea. But lay down on a blanket looking up. That'd be amazing. You like sleep? Dang. I'm not much of a sleeping kind of person. Not much of a person that likes to sleep too much. Yeah, definitely lay down, look up, get the entire sky if possible. And have dark skies. Get away from street lights and stuff. Atmosphere is good at the entire skyline. Let's ride across the ocean in the western hemisphere. Beautiful. But the nightmares are something else. That's funny. You barely sleep. Same. Leslie just doesn't love me sometimes. Dang. Yeah, I'm not like a fan of sleeping at all. I feel like I'm wasting time by sleeping. Seeing the meteors from your window. Ooh, on December 14th. Yo, no way. Some of the best Dracuids, right? Some of the best meteors. Average need more sleep. Same thing for teenagers. They need more sleep. Rhythms, I guess, shifted later. Interesting. There's a live broadcast, or where is this place? It is live, yeah. We're actually looking at the sky live right now from here in Missouri. Amazed me was it was in broad daylight. Yo, that's crazy. So you've seen a light go through. Be a beautiful bow light, most likely. That's crazy cool. That's crazy cool. Yeah, this is a live view of it tonight here in Missouri. Beautiful Missouri. Let's zoom in real quick. I want to take a look at these stars, make sure we're focused properly here. See if we can get a good focus on them real quick. I'm going to go this way just a hair. Probably going to go, yeah, I'm going right past it right now. Okay, we'll go back the other way. See which way we need to go. Gotta go one more time to see. It looks like they're getting loaded, maybe? Or is that better? Can anybody tell? Is that better or no? Let me know if that looks any better. Oh, this one. Most likely this one. When it comes to at least enjoying like the temperature outside, this one. Honestly, December never lets you down though. Never lets you down. Trying to see here. Is that better or I go back the other way? Phone sees a lot of noise. Oh, I'm sure it does right now. I'd have to pull out some of the noise, make it a little bit cleaner. I like to get rid of the noise. We can start to pull it out like this, and then we pull out this. And you start just getting stars. But sometimes you need that noise. You want to get as much light as possible to be able to see some of the meteors that fly through. Hopefully you guys can see here okay now. I don't know if that's even decent or not. Can you guys see it okay? It's over there. Oh, I hope it clears up later. Oh, I hope so too, chat. I hope so too, brother. I hope so too. Not sure if I just seen one. Anybody see one in the middle? It's today a special day for hunting. We're coming up on the peak of the the Perseids, which is on the 12th. It's going to be a busy night though, especially if you got a clear sky. It's going to be really busy for you. Yeah, okay. I thought I seen one go across the dinner. Nice. Hi Trish, how are you? Okay, that's a lot better. Good deal. For you, it's better. Okay, we'll go with this then. We'll see how this works. Where can we see meteors and hopefully it clears tonight? And the 12th, yeah. I hope it continues to stay clear. Clear-ish at least. Better here. Okay, good deal. Will the solar eclipse be visible in your area? It will not. You'd be lucky to see it if you're over like in Maine, on the far northeast part of the United States. But even then, it's going to be a very, very small percentage, and you'd have to use like a solar filter to be able to see it. Hi, Christine. How are you? How's your night? You missed both of them? No. You're off on the 12th. Nice. That is awesome. That's super awesome. That is super awesome. That is super awesome. Try to get perspective of where we are looking. Okay. North's going to be, let me kind of get it here. Let's see. So in our perspective right now, north is off in this direction here. That's going to be north. East is going to be kind of like off in this direction. South is off in that direction. And of course, west is off in that direction of how we're looking at here. Plus, from here, I think I need to tape your eyelids open. You need to, for real. So hopefully, oh, at least you'll see one. I hope so. Do you have dark parks near you? I live in a dark sky region where it's only about Bortle 2.7 here. This is dark sky here. You seen Orion this morning? There's a couple of things that we can do. If you guys, I don't know if this would be the best way to do it or not, but we can slow the camera down, which means that we'll pick up more light even. It'll make those clouds really pop. So what would happen here is you still got to pay attention. You still got to pay attention, but we'll get a little bit more time to see as the meteors go through, and so you're adjusting the exposure here. And this is coming downwards. And so, like, for example, if we want to capture something like the Milky Way, this is how you do it. You just kind of slow down your exposures, capture more light. And if you bring up the exposure, obviously it runs a lot faster, but you get less and less light. So there's a couple of different things that we could probably do tonight as the night goes on. Just try to find that area that just works best for us, for sure. Looks like your ass now, yeah. Looks good to you, good deal. Good deal. I've slept through two. Come on, Trish. No sleeping. No sleeping, no blinking. All a bad scenario. No sleeping, no blinking. Let me bring us back up a little bit. See how this looks. Okay, we'll try about there. There's quite a bit of clouds right here right now. Got so much light pollution. Oh, it's ridiculous. Ah, dang. Cannot stand the light pollution. The stars. Okay, sounds good, Buttercup. Definitely do it. See if you got a decent view tonight. Northeast, see the city light. I can't see anything. I have a street light across the street from my house. My only hope. Dang it. This is dark right now. I hope. How are you? How's San Antonio skies tonight? Much better. Good deal. Good deal. Is it dark to you? I thought everybody else just said they can see though. Making it complicated, Jenny. I could try to pulse out like that and then pull back some, maybe? I don't know. How about now? Is it even brighter? How many meteors can we see on Wednesday morning? Quite a bit. It's going to be insane. Quite a bit. At least spinning stars, everything seems to rotate. Everything that we know of rotates. Some things rotate very slowly, but everything that we know of rotates. Bunch of green dot stars. Those would be stars out there. We're looking at the stars. Johnny, what's up, brother? So far, just 2. So far, we've only seen 2 go through. Hi, Kay. Look for the North Star one day. It's in your view. Hey, Patsy Orion is where heavens. Okay. Where? Let me see if I can get the laser on it for you. Grab the laser. See if I can point it out. So many clouds right now too. It's gonna be kind of fun trying to actually see it. Laser right here. Okay. Let's see if I can spot it. Point up. Should be. I gotta get my eyes adjusted, but it should be out. Oh, it's gonna be right off the screen. It's gonna be like right over this direction. Probably going to be right on the screen though. The busiest night, the day of the 12th. So the night of the 11th and then night of the 12th. Are the plans to make noise? I mean, yeah, ish. Gets a little bit deeper than just saying that planets make noise. It'd be possible for our moon to have a visible ring if it were to be impacted by something large enough. How long would a visible ring last? Not really, because of our influence. Gravitational influence would cause it to not work very well. We got too much gravitational influence on it with higher gravity. Ever seen UFO? Definition of UFO. What's a UFO in your opinion? Space 999. Ah, when I was younger, TV was great then. Gotcha. Don't think I've ever seen it. Something flying erratically. That's what you consider a UFO. I've seen airplanes fly erratic. What direction in the sky are we looking at? Straight up and then off to the north and east just a bit. Ever seen something flying erratically in the sky? I mean, airplanes seem to sometimes fly erratically. I've been on for a while. What's up? How you doing, Swindle? It's been a while. Haven't seen you in a while. Anything that you can't identify is going to be a UFO, just by definition. Just by definition. Ever seen the ISS? Of course. Here in Yukon? Oh, so it's still light out. Oh, wow. Up in Alaska. How's Alaska? New Alaska's basically nice. I've never seen it either. Something that deletes or defies physics. No, I've never seen anything like that. Honestly, no. We live stream all the time. I don't doctor my videos or anything. No lights. No. Some clouds and lightning. And then looking, of course, at the stars, looking for meteors to go through the beam. But it's going to be clouds and lightning. Clouds and lightning. Hi, Ralph. Welcome in. Yeah, honestly, I've never seen anything that I would say defies physics. How many we have meteor showers? Almost. So like great meteor showers, like your major meteor showers, it's 16 times a year, 12 times a year, 12 or 16, somewhere up in that range. But constantly there's some kind of meteor shower going on, whether it's a minor meteor shower, major meteor shower, or just meteors, random meteors that are out there. I remember the original last. Oh, okay. Love it. Nice. If I get really close to a star, what is it? And how big is it? It depends on the star. But a star is that mostly is made from hydrogen and fuses in near its core into other elements like helium would be next. Yeah, we don't do religion, man. Nothing against religion at all. It's just if you allow one religion, then you gotta allow them all. We just stick to what we're doing. Do you think there's life outside of Earth? That's possible. Mathematically, yeah. As far as science goes, we haven't actually found life out there. We found evidence, but not life itself. Anxiety tonight, chat. Be here with y'all. Makes me feel less alone. Good to have you. It's really good to have you. Very close to SR. Yeah. Yeah, we're really close to SR in comparison to the grand scheme of everything. Yo, no way. GOP forever. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, man. Thank you for the 50 gifted memberships. Thank you so much. I actually recognize some of the names coming through as well. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for that. Thank you for the love and support. And no, it goes a long ways. It definitely goes a long ways. We always put the funds in that we receive here on YouTube. We always put it back into the observatory here, so the equipment and stuff. Do you think they will tell you if you know of intelligent life outside of Earth? Who's they? I guess that'd be the question. Who's they? Who is they? I can tell you this: whenever life is discovered, you will know. That'll be a very important thing that will help solidify a lot of scientific research out there. A user from Idaho, welcome in. How are you? Again, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. How far is our nearest star besides the sun? So about 4.5 light years away. It's going to be Proxima Centauri. Worked out anti-gravity. YouTube today, nice. I'm assuming that you're aiming at your telescope live to the northeast or southeast of Kansas City, northeast, looking up towards the northeast. What do you think of SpaceX wanting to launch a lot more Starlinks? It's tough. Like, obviously, technology is amazing. I'm not so much of an astrophotographer myself, though we do some astrophotography here and there, especially here on the live streams. That's when they become an issue. Mostly in the astrophotography, but they've done a lot of things too, like for example painting them black, non-reflective black and stuff to try to help a lot. But it's tough though. If you're an astrophotographer, it's kind of a tough side. If you're trying to discover near-Earth objects in EOs, it can be kind of painful, but there's a lot of algorithms out there to help break that down. Hi Diane from Iowa, welcome in. How are you doing? Hi Abby, welcome in. Good to see you again. Yeah, thank you so much, GOP forever. I appreciate it. Again, thank you so much, buddy. Thank you so much. They have a lot of questions. Literally, wouldn't that have people question literally everything? I mean, that'd be great. Questions are amazing. Honestly, questions are amazing. It brings us a long ways in society. It's very amazing. How do you count as life outside of Earth? That would be in the form of life. Found microscopic life. If they found microscopic life, would you count it? Yeah, of course, that'd be microscopic life, life itself, just by the definition of life. Is there a meteor shower tonight? Yes, we got 3 ongoing major meteor showers tonight, and mostly Perseids are what we'd be viewing. Do you think it's possible to get to the North Star? No, it's so far away. It's actually really far away. Believe it or not, it's pretty far away. It is pretty far away. Adam Kicked, how's it going, buddy? Good to see you, by the way. Good to see you. Yeah, it's actually pretty far away. Much further than you actually could consider. So even like Vega, for example, which used to be our North Star and eventually will be the North Star again, it's about 25 light years away, which is roughly, when you consider that, 25 times 5.9 trillion miles. Crazy. I've heard Perseids meteor shower is going to be. That is correct, on the 12th. That is correct. You think there could be life under the ice of Jupiter's moon Europa? And I think that's a wonderful question. It is a very good candidate. It's one of those I'm kind of 50-50 on, personally. I'm kind of 50-50 on it. Hope to get to see. Oh, I hope you get to see it too. Hope you get to see it too. Yeah, the Perseids, they last quite a while. It's about like 3 and 3.5 week long. Obviously, it kind of ramps up as you go towards the peak. And then the couple of nights around the peak. So the night of the 11th and 12th, 11th through the 12th, and then 12th to the 13th are going to be some crazy nights to watch. Definitely life on Venus. Oh no, Venus is wild. Venus is absolutely wild. Absolutely wild. It's a wild planet. It's absolutely a wild planet. Do you believe in parallel universe? It's hard to believe in something that would be hard to test and prove. You know what I mean? To find like a parallel universe, you'd have to be able to actually exit the universe that we're in, the cosmos, which obviously you can't do. That'd be hard to ever test and theorize. For me, having a belief in that would be very hard to do. Don't see meteor showers often, but when I do, it's amazing to see with the naked eye. That is so true, Abby. Yo, that is so true. I agree. Get out there on the 12th. The night of the 11th, the night of the 12th, either one. Get out there, lay down, look up, and enjoy it. Definitely enjoy it. I think it's going to be really active this year. We're so lucky to be Earthians. It's a perfect planet for life. This is true. Yo, that is so true. Absolutely. Can we what? That just happened. I told her earlier. Turn on their TV. Oh, she's not anybody chilling. That's awesome. That's so awesome. I think they need a push. Maybe. And they're playing Europa in a movie. What is it? Cosmic Throw background music. This is called Oceans Tapping by PC3. There's all summer and a day. It's all about people living on Venus. I have not. You got some rough game bear. Well, I have not. Hey Jack, what's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Good morning, brother. I have not seen you in forever. Seems like it's been forever, bro. Good to see you. Can you guys see the little clouds here in the center? Go away, clouds. Jenny, they know. They know. The clouds know. Living in someone's figuring out. Ooh. Remember that next time you chew on your fingernails. For stuff in Astro, but it's actually looks like you're back. It already does slingshot stuff at us. Jupiter's kind of in front of me. It slingshot stuff at us. There's a flash part of the meteor shower that just happened here on the screen. That was lightning. Your daughter and you want to know why it's green looking. I put a filter on and hopefully it makes the stars pop. Is it any better or no? Honestly, it's a really good question. Do you guys like the green? I wasn't sure if it's a good idea to go for green if it makes things pop better, or if white pops better. I don't even know. Of course the hue needs fixed, but I was trying different settings to see how it actually showed up in the stream. I don't know what makes it look better on the eyes. I'll just go in a couple different directions. Don't mind the green. I kind of did too. Like for me, it was easier. Like the contrast was easier. Yeah, I think green was more soothing on the eyes, to be honest. I think it is, anyways. I think came as our genetic experiment of higher tone. I don't know. Yeah, like honestly, it has nothing to do with the context of the live stream, though. You think this is better? Anybody think this is better right here? How long we're here tonight depends on the clouds. It really just depends on the weather. See, red is tough. I tried red. It's actually kind of tough. We liked it. Okay. So which is the right direction? What do you mean which is the right direction? This is not better. It's cool. You think humans would be around? Oh, if Andromeda crashed. It's like a 50-50 chance of Andromeda merging with us. It's a really good question, right? So no, the answer is going to be no. We got about 100 million years left on our planet, where Andromeda is about 4 billion years roughly before it would start to merge with us. Where are we supposed to go? I'm sorry, you'll have to re-ask it. Don't go by me, we have already established. Most likely my monitor. What do you guys think? The green or this one? Have you ever seen Sirius through a telescope? Of course, yeah, absolutely. It's a beautiful star. Like a disco ball, yeah. It's a variable star, it's really beautiful. Green, like the green? Rick says much better here. You guys have me all confused, which one? And the name, every mountain, critter, etc. on Mars. Yeah, we have never stepped 1 foot on it as humans yet. You like the green? Ralph likes the green. I have an amazing night. Thanks for hanging out with us. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Oh, go for the green. You guys make up your mind. There's the green. What I was trying to do is just make it where the stars pop a little better, a lot easier to see, a little bit different contrast per se. That's what my attempt was. I don't know that I do a great job at attempting anything, but I'm gonna beat a guy's. That's a great question. Don't have the answer for it. What star, bright star are we looking at that is slightly off center to the left? Vega. That'd be beautiful, Vega. Maybe they have stepped foot on Mars. Maybe we came from Mars too. Dang. A green, you know what I mean? Yeah. Don't listen to me. It's kind of my job. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You're getting all kinds of crazy. You see all the clouds out there. Really cool thing too is we can kind of pull this back and make it like in this setting. We can kind of pull it back even. Make things look a little easier. Kind of an interesting way of doing stuff. I never really mess with it through this. I don't know. Maybe you could pull the hue shift. And that's what I did earlier, which makes them where the stars really pop out there. Like actually pop out quite a bit more. Maybe you just find that right hue and things look really nice on the eyes. At least on my eyes, and I'm looking at it through a monitor, so I honestly don't know. I don't know when it's actually better or not. You guys would have to tell me if it looks better. Tell me what the music is playing in the background. It's oceans tapping. Oceans tapping. Reminds me of the Morgan Star Trek. Hey, what's up, Kira? How are you? Finding a new screensaver. Oh, no way. Been watching so long. We trust your judgment on what kind. Dude, I gotta trust everybody else's judgment too. Ocean tapping, yep, the name of it. I have to trust your guys' judgment. You're the one that can see it, and you're focusing on it more than I am. To be honest, I'm trying to keep up with the conversation, trying to keep an eye on the monitors as well to see how things are going. Looking at the weather screen to see, make sure the rain is not going to come colliding in on us and hitting the equipment. I do have the observatory open, so I got to kind of be cautious with that as well. Hi, Mo Dreams. And Shady Universe from French. Hey, no way. Welcome in. Good to have you. Good to have you. Yeah, don't hold your breath. Exactly. Cameron, how's your night, brother? Will humans ever leave this solar system? Or are we trapped? It's a good question. I don't have the answer. As if one came towards us and wouldn't stop, it'd be all bad. Like, so basically what you'd see is more of like a flash, like a dot that doesn't go streaking through the sky. And it would just be a dot there eventually. Depends on how much debris it's able to ionize as it comes through. Just said 30 minutes ago. Oh, okay. I got you, brother. I got you. Why is it making it so cool? Yeah. Yeah, the lighting is a lot of fun when it goes off. I'll do it for Jenny. You gonna use a laser tonight? You gonna use the lasers tonight or no? Ah, crud. Get it in before she has to type it all the way out. Green, the lighting looks good. Yeah, I think it looks pretty cool. I think it does. You ask, not me. I did it for you though. I got it for you. You can hide in the tunnels and the cliffs. Yeah, you could, I guess. Oh, I got what you mean. Hi, Possum. Have an amazing night. How are you doing? How was your night? Ever actually point the laser at a plane? I honestly look at the screen before I point the laser out there. I would never point the laser out there blindly. The laser I'm off telescope for a bit actually. My next night is in September. My group is some kick night in between, but I won't be on. Oh, okay. I got you. Summer vacation, huh? You don't do anything for vacation this year? That was lighting. Yeah. A lot of lightning out tonight. That was lightning. We probably got a little bit of time, and then it looks like some of the rain's going to get nearby. It's really dipping pretty far south at this point. So we got to be kind of, I got to kind of pay attention to that, by the way. Got to keep an eye on that. No point later ready to go if may start an interstellar war. What's the average size of a meteor we see tonight? About the size of grain sense. Not that big at all. Like a, oh, do you guys see that one in the center? Yo, let me know if you guys seen that. Let me know if you guys seen that. It was right about in here. About in that region. Hi, Dave. I do not, man. I'm sorry. There were so many people last night. The amount of chat was about 3,000. There were so many. So many chatted last night. Why'd you look away? Why'd you do it? Gotta quit doing that. Oh, you know what I should do? I gotta remember to start the replay buffer. I did not start the replay buffer, y'all. If we had a massive fireball come through, I'd miss it. Let's make sure we turn that on. There we go. Oh my goodness, that could have been all bad, y'all. That honestly could have been all bad. If I had a fireball come through, I'd completely miss it. You're listening, Roman. It's possible, man. It's possible. Is it raining over there in the summertime? Nah, I guess I hate hot rain. Oh man, it's not raining here yet. It's not raining here yet. That's all you're. Dude, you going anywhere for summer vacation or no? Come back into the States? The lower 48? I know how powerful the gentleman's telescope is. So tonight I'm not using telescope, just a camera. Tonight we're using just a camera. Just a camera tonight. Time for me is 1:12 a.m. Currently 1:12 a.m. So many clouds right now. The clouds are basically all within this region. And of course all in that direction too, but there's a lot of clouds right now. I think it's where all my friends are getting married, so. Oh, okay. For a week here and there to attend. Dang, dude. I got you. Hey, Chavaz, how's it going, brother? ¿Cómo está? Hey, what's up, Gray? Good evening. I just made the chat to see that, yeah. I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good, bro. I'm doing good. Bored and sad? Why are you bored and sad for? Hang out and watch some stars with us. Actually, the type. Supernova 2024 EPR right now. Nice. Go away, clouds. Yeah, all well here. All is well here. Just dealing with weather. You know how it is. Sometimes we get the clouds, sometimes we get the wildfire smoke, but very rarely do we get clear skies, it seems like, anymore. I was hoping that it's going to start to clear up finally this year. But yeah, something, please, absolutely, Pamela, I got you. Why does it look green today? I have it overlaid with a green color so that it helps kind of pop some of the stars. That was the idea anyways. I don't know if it's a great idea, but that's what I was trying to do. See you fly by in the spaceship in a few seconds. Alright, we got you. We'll watch for you. We're watching. Oh, clouds are so annoying. Kind of perspective on the clouds too. Let me show you guys the clouds. I'm gonna pull back some of the gain here. It's not like crazy bright when I do this, but let me take like a 2-second photo through the camera. Get a little better perspective of the clouds here. All right, we can turn up the gain again. See how crazy the clouds are. There we go. Let's get the comment a little better. So here's all the clouds that we have currently. Way too much gain. There's the current cloud condition. Very common, huh? Should have a lighting counter. I do actually have one on the website. The observatory has a lot of sensors on it, and one of them does actually count the lightning within 45 miles from here. That says the real sky, yeah. I think I'm every star in the sky. Bound arrow. Simona. Thing. Leave it like this for a minute. Let it kind of come through. Watch the clouds kind of pass through. Use the force. Yep, so this is what you call slower or lower exposure. We're running it at about 1 frame? Oh no, 2 frames per second right now. So every 2 seconds we're getting 1 frame. So 1 frame per 2 seconds. It just captures all that light. There's something right here. I'm not sure what that is. Airplane going by up on the top near Vega. If you guys can see the airplane. Not sure if y'all can see it or not. You can see an airplane right here. Right there flying through. Megatron just passed by. I think that's Megatron right there. Megatron going by right there. Alright, Ruby, sounds good. Have an amazing night. Seeing planets right now. Not in this view. Currently no planets in the view currently. Saturn would be coming up, but it would be off in this direction. Down near the trees out there. Neptune would be off in that direction as well. And then eventually Uranus will come up and Mars. That's where yoga is. Oh my goodness. Have you ever seen something which defied explanation? Honestly, no. Honestly, no. That I have not. Go away, clouds. Yeah, I was wondering, yoga or Yoda? Yoga is like a new exercise. It's a space exercise for Yoda. Yoda does the yoga. The video in your head's hilarious. Yoda doing yoga. Yeah. That'd be a different visual. The aliens are hiding from me. How you doing, China? Kind of move that camera over just a bit here. Go up in this direction. Yes, it's the end of the third group. Okay. Not as many people as last night, but that won't stop us from watching fireballs and meteors. That is so true. That is so true. Have a good night. Thanks for hanging out with us. Thanks for hanging out with us. Keep it moving, clouds. That's right. It actually looks like we might be in good shape here soon. There's a lot of clouds further north, but they're really faint, so we should be okay. How many meters expected tonight? Somewhere around 15 to 20 per hour in optimal scene conditions, of course. What are we looking at? The sky, and it's near Kansas City. Hi, Chandler. What's up, brother? How you doing? That was a really good catch. That fireball was awesome. That was a super beautiful catch. Don't want any tamales. Tamales for Jenny. That's always so funny. Doing good, awesome. Yeah, the fireball was amazing last night. That was super amazing. You guys want to see it again? Hold up in the replay. That was actually really awesome. I enjoyed it. Because live seems so relaxing. Oh, live stream so relaxing. It happens. Hi, Whoopi. How are you? I'm doing good. How are you? I'm doing good. Hey, you want to see it again? That's so cool. See aliens because of the limit of the speed light? Dang. Do you guys think aliens visit us? Honestly, no. I don't think we've been visited by aliens. Let me see here. Let's get that fireball pulled up real quick. Look at it for just a second. Alright, let me see if we can go to replay. Well, this was last night about 3 a.m. here. Zoom us forward a little bit in the video. This was super awesome. So awesome. What's crazy is if I back it up just a bit, if I can get it at that right point. Kind of tough. Right about there, you can see all the wildfire smoke. This is wildfire smoke. It wasn't even clouds, but actual wildfire smoke out there. That's crazy. Crazy, crazy. Alright, let's go back to the thing. We're in the Earth's atmosphere. Did that burn? It did, yeah. When we see meteors, they burn up in the Earth's atmosphere. I'm bringing into that microscopic roll over. I don't know. Outside looking at my no telescope, I'd be able to see more of the neighborhood turn off their porch light. Yeah, so true. So true. What's up? What's up, Greg? We got the rest up there. It may be clearing out a little bit here. That'd be nice. They are moving along. It seems like. Seems like they might be. Or maybe not. See what these look like over here. Whatever's up here, this is all a mess. That's all a mess going on up there. In fact, I'll just face the atmosphere. Yep, exactly what it'd be. Wildfires. Yeah, the wildfires are everywhere, especially in the west. Yeah, so many wildfires. Is it possible to convert the footage you have to green? Next time I'll have to do that. I'll have to set it up also. But like this replay, actually the replay will come in green. The replay's not. Okay, there are no meteors so far. Oh, no way. What state are you in? I wish I had clear skies. Hard to be this disliked her. Well, didn't do a very good job. Just burned up. Hi, Night Jack. Thanks for hanging out, brother. Thanks for hanging out. Love to be on a blanket by a lake right now. Ooh, I love the idea. Hi, Angelics. How you doing? Angela, good to see you. Good to see you. Good morning to you. You gotta kind of look in between the clouds right now and hope that we get lucky and a nice one goes right through there. We've only captured 3 so far. The clouds kind of stop us from seeing too much. Oh, okay. I got you, Nash. Very nice. And clear skies up there. I love it. Send some of that down this way. Send some of that down this way. I'm not sure what you mean. About to lose our clear skies in the way for a bit. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I did. Hurricane inbound, but I don't know too much. So I can 10 sheet at this. So we'll see, yeah. Honestly, I prefer the Canadian over the GFS when it comes to the modeling for hurricanes. Let's sleep in my garden and see, loads of meteors just by looking upwards, yeah. And more common than I realized. It's so true. That's so true. That is really true. Oops, throwing my laser. Throwing the laser. Let me take a look at the radar real quick, see how we're doing. Swap it over to satellite. Yeah, it looks like we're going to have a point where we'll have to end the live for just a bit. And hopefully after that point it will clear up. That can work. Oof. It's not great. We'll just have to see how things go. Extreme heat warning expires in 4 days. Who did that? What y'all bringing all the heat for? Haven't had rain for weeks in Dover. You get we haven't had too much rain, just a ton of clouds. Outside the city, you can see the whole sky. Yo, no way. That's amazing. Again, the whole sky would be so nice. Lion face in the clouds. See lion face up there. Waited all day. I know. Yep. It just happens. Sometimes it happens. I'm down there in Texas. There's a lot of clouds, huh? Not too much. Center screen. Did you see something? Oh, the line. Lion face in the center screen. Can see the line. If I can see it. I really can't see it. Had rain here in weeks. Oh, in Northwest Germany. I get you. Face in the middle. Oh, that's such a good imagination, I guess. What sky are you seeing? Missouri. I think that's what's going to happen, y'all. I think we're going to have to take a break here for a bit until it clears up again. I think we're probably going to have to consider that. It's really hard to tell. Looks like there you got all these clouds over here, and then these are getting a lot closer. And we just cut out all our view there, like the entire view. It's really hard to tell what it's going to do. Oh, your great grandparents are from the Show Me State, from Missouri. Very nice. I don't know if it's going to clear up. It looks like it would, as long as nothing builds back behind it. It's kind of a tough one, though. It's hard to say. It's just a mess. Absolute mess. Clouds are a mess. Yeah, they are kind of wispy. I have who lives in Missouri? Oh, nice. Hey, Jose, how's it going, buddy? Just chilling, hanging out. Was hoping to watch some meteors tonight. Right now, dealing with some clouds coming through. How's your New York skies? Ray Ray! What's up, Ray Ray? How are you doing? My goodness, I have not seen you in forever. Yeah, it's been forever, Ray Ray. Go play some Power Wheel for a bit? Yeah, it may be that coming right up. Trimming the peak of the bear season depends on the weather. Really just depends on the weather. I'm good, Ray Ray. How are you? I'm doing great. Wait all day in clouds mess it up. It always does. Not always, obviously. Some nights we get clouds, some nights it's clear. But this year has been cloudy. It's been a really cloudy year. It's been a crazy cloudy year. It has been a relatively crazy cloudy year. Bunch of those clouds. Yeah, a circular formation. I've seen it before in Iowa. That'd be crazy, Rick. That'd be really cool. Basically, something. It's all good. Be visiting some castle in Wales on the 12th. I'm camping out. Oh, no way. Yo, that'd be amazing. Okay, that sounds awesome. School football already started for us. Oh, okay. Got busy so fast. It feels like, yeah. I got you. That's good, though. Ever get tornadoes where you live? We do. Tried to go look for a meteor, but I couldn't find it. Oh, okay. When you've seen it come through the clouds like that. I've done a bit there. In castles. They found me, yeah. How the best castle? Best castle in Dover, UK. I'll tell you this, we don't have a castle here. Are the clouds gonna go away? The answer's not clear. Yo, that's so funny. The cloud's gonna go away. No, the answer is not clear. Oh my goodness. It is hard to say what it's gonna do here. It doesn't look good as far as like the satellite view goes. Looks like we'll have a little bit of time, if not the rest of the night, where it's just gonna be cloudy. to get away from life. Yo, what's up? Welcome in. Good to have you. Millimeter shower was 10,000 an hour. Greatest meteor I've seen. First 150 years I watched it. It was amazing and scary. That's crazy. What's that castle? Alright, there's two castles in my English hometown. Nice. Cloud watching is fun too. Come on. Clouds leave. I've waited all day, clouds. Yeah. Silly clouds. Always the clouds. Always the clouds. It's a good time I could be focusing, I guess, a little bit. See if we can focus on the stars just a bit more. Throw it around here. See what I can do. What's your channel, dude? Do it. Of the castles? That'd be awesome. Do it. Of the castle you're going to go to in some of the meteors? Meteor. 12th century. Been to a castle in England before. I've never been to. White bumped clouds against the blue sky. Oh, okay, you're your favorite. Nice. Clear overcast and cloudy. Circular formation formed and then closed. Oh, dang, dude. That is crazy. Never been outside the US before. I've been to Canada a couple times and Mexico. Got to see a fireball yesterday, yeah. We're checking in the north, south, east, west. Or straight up. So, in perspective of where we're looking right now, north is basically off in this direction. East, which would be off. Oh, crud. No. Let me get my bearing. Okay. So, north would be in this direction. East off in this direction. There's your northeast, and this is kind of the area that we really are mostly focusing in. And then you got west off in this direction here, and no, that's south. That'd be south. Yeah, hold on. This is north. Over here is north. This is going to be east. This is south, and then this would be our west. There we go. Took me a minute to try to recognize where I'm looking. Yeah, so north would be in this direction here. I sound lost, yeah. I feel lost right now, trying to figure out where I'm looking with all the clouds. Makes me feel kind of lost. A lot of clouds. Couldn't get any diamond dust on it. Dang. Chill tunnel, 22 miles to Grant Smith up there. What's up, Ray? It's because have you guys seen a fireball today? I have not. I've not seen a fireball today. Camera which is placed outside your home or telescope. Camera, but it's outside the observatory. Or sitting on top of the observatory. Hi Peterson, how you doing, bud? Same meteor at the same time. Oh, it would be so cool. Yeah, that'd be really cool. Really cool. I do like the clearing that we have over here. A little bit of clearing there on the bottom side. Off to the north. Kind of pull us down that way. There we go. So now we're looking more northeast in this view right here. Be a little bit more northeast. I know, don't jinx it, right? Hey Sarah, welcome in. I'm really trying to pay attention for anything. Also should probably pay attention to focus while we got that chance. See if I can do it. Focus a little bit here. See which way we're going. A little more maybe. much focus. We'll hold it here. It looks like nice focus. Decent anyways. Hi Cindy. Good morning. Bring back Simba. Used to have a hovercraft. These clouds are super over. It's clouds. We're looking at clouds. Needs to be a bunch of clouds. And lightning right there. Yeah, absolutely correct. Yeah, absolutely. It's very pretty. Yeah, very pretty. I see something. I'm not sure what it was. I think though. Could have just been lightning. Super. Check over here too. Something up. The radar again. Can you guys see Andromeda, by the way? Let me know if you can see Andromeda here. Be awesome if you guys can make out Andromeda in the view. It is above the trees, yeah. It's above the trees. Let's see if I can do a little longer exposure. Let's do like 4 seconds. Probably our gain will be too much, and then say, there we go. Can you see Andromeda now? Can you guys see Andromeda? What if you can make out Andromeda? A little bit more gain. There we go. Circle. I can do that. Get about in again. Right about there. It's not showing up on the screen properly. Hold on. It's not on the screen properly. Go ahead and fix that to match the other screen. What is the actual size difference? You gotta hold that to that. That to that. Maybe to there. I'll see if that worked. Maybe I'll make my actual circle work. Yeah, there we go. There's Andromeda right there. Betelgeuse would have a supernova, would it kill us? No. It's pretty far away. I'll say a pretty good distance away. Hey, Meteor, but for the dang clouds, I know. Silly clouds. Circle above it. Circle above. Where at? Where are we? Missouri. You think people have to be crazy to think there's life out there? It's kind of short-minded. Just, oh, that's awesome, Gray. That's super awesome. That's super awesome. Can you guys see a little bit of the Milky Way there on the top? I don't know if you guys can make out the Milky Way a little bit. Oh, the way it is. Oh, okay, I got you. Yeah. Circles seem to be a pretty common pattern, to be honest. Seems to be kind of a common pattern. You can kind of make out the Milky Way a little bit, especially like right here. Kind of make out the Milky Way. Speak later to the TV, just watching astronomy. Nice. Very nice. There's something right here. Is that a star? It might be a star. It just got uncovered by clouds. Dang. I seen it and I was like, ah, we get one, but I think clouds just uncovered a star. Disregard that. Disregard that. It tricked me. We've seen this guy from a different Gotcha. Isolar. A common pattern. Yeah, very, very common. Circles and triangles. Circle and triangle, too. Missouri. We're in Missouri. Oh, I hate clouds, too. I have to agree with you. Dislike them as well. Meteors know that we're watching. They know. They know. The clouds know. That's kind of a joke that Jenny and I have. The clouds know. They know. Man, the clouds know. You want a telescope? Hope you get one soon. I hope you're able to. Even a pair of binoculars can be a lot of fun. A pair of binoculars can be a lot of fun. Hi Vanessa, how are you? Also bring it down a little bit here. Guy there sucks right now. You guys got a lot of clouds too. Yeah, binoculars do rock. Absolutely. Absolutely, they do. Gray, this is Ocean's Tapping by PC3. Ocean's Tapping. Any recommendations? You can look up on, I mean, obviously there's a lot out there, Bushnell or whatever, but Celestron has some decent ones. And to be honest, like, for me, I would say get a regular pair of binoculars and also get a solar pair, like a pair of solar binoculars that have white light filter built into them. They're a lot of fun to look at the sun with solar binoculars, like a ton of fun. And they're both just really easy to use. Got way too much light pollution in Dallas. And you guys got too much human pollution. Oh, right there, gal. Right there. There's one. There was one. Y'all see it? I found one. Now you got my camera because I hit the wrong button. I actually found one. I'm paying attention. That never happens where I'm the one that captures it. Oh, your first one? Nice. He's Allison Rockbow. Winter Sky TC, yeah. Just gotta wait for the winter sky. Ah, thank you, Cindy. I appreciate that. Thank you for the sun balloon. Thank you, Cindy. Honestly, thank you. Thank you so much for that. It's so funny, like I have so many buttons on my Stream Deck. Now, like, I had to put down there like to clear out the pen marking, and it's like right next to my camera too. I like the clouds tonight. They're not too intrusive. Oh man, they're too intrusive. This cloud needs to go away. 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 Even these little clouds need to go away. These need to go away. That needs to go away. There's something right there, by the way. That's satellite right there. Can you guys see that satellite? It's coming off in that direction right there. A little faint satellite right there. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. Yay, Chad! Thank you so much, brother. Thank you for the star, bro. I appreciate it. Come on, Fireball. That's right. That's right, DJ. Welcome back, by the way. Good to see you again. And all the rest of the clouds. Tonight the peaker as it passed. No, we're coming up on it on the 12th. We still got 3 days before the peak. We still got plenty of time. So many X's. Anywhere there's a... I think maybe I just seen one like right in there. Right before the cloud got there. Yeah, there's too many clouds. A lot of X's needed. Hi Jordan, welcome back. Good to see you. We can just see the Earth's rotation by going back in the stream. Oh yeah. Watching the actual stars as they rotate through. Really cool. Oh, we're running 4 frames, or 4 seconds right now. 1 frame every 4 seconds, so we're capturing a lot of light curve. Actually, can we start here? Not weird, but it's not good. My hair is not even styled today. This is me waking up and not doing anything with my hair. It's just whatever. What time on the 12th? All night. All night, the night of the 11th into the 12th, the 12th into the 13th will both be wild nights. All night long. All night long. Yeah, when it gets dark until it doesn't get dark anymore. Yeah, it's gonna be an all night long thing. These are, like, the Pierces are so active, it doesn't matter. Like, honestly, you can talk about, like, peak hour for some meteor showers. When it comes to the Pierces, it don't even matter. It is pretty crazy. The eclipse is on the 12th as well. Yes, I'm a real person. I do exist. I do exist. And then, yeah, and it's going to be a new moon on the 12th as well. Obviously, we got the solar eclipse, so in order to have a solar eclipse, you got a new moon. So it lines up on a perfect day. Really beautiful day. I think we can actually speed the camera back up now. Let's do it. Let's speed the camera up just a bit here. We pull in some more of the brightness here. Let's see if we can get enough brightness in. Then we can actually start to make out some of the fainter meteors as they fly through. So we pull out, what do we need to do? I don't even remember. Get just a bit more light, maybe. Can you guys see the stars okay? Let me know if they're showing up okay. Probably if it's Perseus at its peak. As long as we didn't have clouds, of course. Don't come here, you look like a pirate. Oh my goodness. Are you in the bath in Kansas City? No, we are not. We are not. I've seen Thing tonight. We have not, Raj. Have not had a crazy fireball yet tonight. That we have not. Am I missing anything up there? So beautiful. Are you filming out inside or outside? So the camera's just outside the observatory. I'm sitting inside the observatory itself. Kind of a little context, I guess, if you want to see. So this is like the control room. The observatory just has a bunch of equipment, just sets everywhere, heating and air conditioning, and then like right over here is a door, and that's where the telescopes and the piers are, and it opens up, and that's where the camera's actually set. And the camera's set almost straight above me right here, just like a little man cave, if you will. Like rain too. Waters the garden. Oh, saves a few bucks. So smart. Like a little fireball tonight, unfortunately, due to clouds. Yeah. Skies exist, and like my girlfriend. Dang. Making the stars twinkly. Crazy atmosphere. Why does it want to do that for? Why does the atmosphere want to do that? But nothing crazy tonight yet, Raj. Nothing super crazy yet. Hopefully, though. I hope so. I hope we get something crazy, but it's been kind of chill. Relatively chill. Not that kind of a man cave. It's not as fun as you think it is. Where's the beer fridge? No fridge in here at all. I don't even drink beer myself, Chad. I drink mostly unsweet tea at this point. Unsweet tea, water. It's kind of my go-to. I never have time to even consider having a drink of a beer. See more on the left than the right. Yeah. Yeah. Some of the brighter stars and the constellations out there. Like it's been stellar. There we go. How good your girlfriend doesn't exist. He said that. Yeah, that's what he said. You don't have a girlfriend. Keep the man cave. I want a she shed. Dang. Josh better get to work. You guys got to move up this way first, huh? Tell Josh now that he's working like he is, he can start moving, packing up. Final count last night was 54. 54. Honorary Brit mate. So funny. Yeah. I want him back. Oh, I bet you do. I bet you do. I bet you do. We'll be home until the 21st. Dang. It's tough. Alright, let me look at the pull up the radar again and stuff here. Ish. Always annoying to see clouds, for one, but then it's really annoying to see rain. We're doing okay now, though. Looks like. Got some decent stars showing up. Hey, Nova, how you doing? Would rather watch guys than have a girlfriend. Yo, it's cheaper, huh? What's a flash like that? Lightning off in the distance. Lightning off in the distance. Alright, but it definitely sucks at do plan. I mean, once we, okay, stack a little cash, I got you. Gotcha. Let's zoom back out real quick. Let's get a full screen. Let's do that. Zoom all the way out. Get the entire sky real quick here. Let me see. This will be the basically the entire screen, or the entire sky that we can capture through the camera here. Let me run this in Mono 8 maybe. Or would that be too much noise? That's hard to tell. I cannot tell if that's too much noise or not. Let me pull out some of the noise. Can you guys see the stars okay still? Ah, so much noise though, ain't it? Want just enough light here so we can get the stars to really pop for a minute. Hopefully that'll work. Let's see what happens. Coming to an end, never mind. The stars are always here. There you go. If all the stars are actually aliens. Ooh, Real's looking back at us. That'd be wild. Pretty well. Hi, Kathy. How are you? Welcome in. Need some rain in Oklahoma. Yeah. Honestly, we need rain too, to be honest. What do we got here? It is having a drought. No rain. Ooh. Need rain in Texas. So humid. No rain. That's how it's been here. Honestly, it's exactly how it's been here. To the aliens, we are the aliens. That is true. The clear skies in California. It's been terrible for a solid month, and I just bought a telescope. Oh, cloud tax. The rain made me run. We're on. We're some kind of aliens. Oh, did you see that one? Did y'all see that one? Let me know if you've seen it. Let me know if you guys seen that one. Right up in there. Did it show up okay on the screen? That's a good question. Did y'all see it or no? I wonder if that actually came to the stream okay. You seen it? Did it show up really good or no? You blinked. Oh, come on, DJ. Typing. Come on, y'all. Dimbo wasn't like, okay. I wondered if that actually showed up very well or not. So tough on these settings, trying to get it down proper. I think it would do nothing. Would be bizarre. I have no clue. No clue. Went back and saw. Okay, sweet. So it did show up. Nice. Very awesome. Alright, sounds good. Sounds good, creations. Rewind, please. You can rewind here on YouTube. I do have it on currently where you can rewind it. Did it show up nice or no? Was it bright enough? Big meteors look super faint. That was a faint one. Honestly, that was a faint meteor. I barely seen it. It's so hard to tell, yeah. There's a lot of noise on my screen currently. Man, if we can adjust the settings here. Let me take out some of the noise first of all. Let's see if that helps. Let me try to bring in a little bit more light. Gosh, I hope that helps. Is that too much noise? Let me know if this is any better. Well, dim, but okay, definitely detected. It was dim on my screen too, even before it went through OBS. This much better. Okay, good deal. Good deal. Can be the only ones in this galactic zoo. That's super fun. Oh, China, thank you so much for the sparkles. Thank you. It's okay now. Okay. There's a storm coming. Tell it to go away. It might just listen. Maybe. I doubt it though. I doubt it'll listen. Not that it never listens. Let me slow down the camera just a bit. That's speeding it up. I'm going to slow it down just a bit here. We're going to do about 4 frames per second. That might be too much though. Adjust it just ever so slightly. Okay. Maybe, just maybe, is that a setting plus me? Okay, how about that? Is that better? I see an airplane coming through right now. It looks like it's showing up pretty decent on the street. Goodness. Hey, I notice appear to be a fleet of flying vessels very high up in the sky. Wait, hold on. But you're having heavy rain. Oh, it's after heavy rain. That's crazy. Typhoon in Japan. In the quick market. Not all the time yet. You like this one here? Went out the airplane. I get my pen back here. It's like up in here in the clouds itself. Right over in there. I debated to become a channel member. That's how YouTube works, yeah. That's how YouTube works. Unless you get gifted a membership. There's a lot of people who like to gift memberships here, so if you're lucky to get one of those gifted memberships. There's an ongoing meteor shower. 3 of them, actually. There's 3 ongoing meteor showers currently. Major meteor showers. Oh yeah, by far, being here is just enough. Just enjoying this. That's what really matters. Just get to enjoy what we're doing. Or if we should zoom in just a bit. What do you guys think? Just a little zoom? Not like a crazy amount, but a little bit of zoom like that. We're looking basically at the Milky Way right here. So the Milky Way is running basically across the screen right here. That's all good, Gray. Don't worry about it. Yeah, that's wrong. Ah, I've seen the right nebula. Nice. What about one of my iron fingers? Very rare, but underage. You can see it in the natural view to see the color of the Milky Way. So this is just a black and white camera. It's a monochrome, so we wouldn't see the color. We got to set up a color camera. Can't call you Mr. Roman. You can just call me Roman. How so much? Wipe out, love the fish. That's crazy. What a nice view. It's so beautiful, strikingly beautiful tonight. Besides the clouds, the stars are beautiful. Stars are definitely beautiful. But it makes me wonder if I need to focus a little bit here, though. I want to hit the focuser. I just don't want to mess it up. I'm gonna try. Let's see here. Let me try to focus just a bit. See if I can pay attention. That looks bad, right? We went in the wrong direction. Go the other way. Silly lightning, making it hard for me to focus. Hard to focus when it's lightning. It's already hard to always focus, but it's even harder when it's lightning. I probably should not touch it much more. Yeah, Dr. No, seriously, not in our view. Not in our view currently. It barely comes up right before the sun does. When a Starlink pass, so many Starlinks go by constantly. Cookies and hot chocolate sound good. Cookies and hot chocolate sound really good. When I do this setting, it seems like not as many stars are coming in right now. Did I change something? Let me go to Mono 16 instead of Mono 8. Let's do that real quick. What am I missing right now? Can't tell what I'm actually missing. Something just seems off. It kind of seem off to you guys. What am I missing? What settings messed up? Let me reload it, I guess. Let me load this again. Go back in here, reduce the noise on it. Zoom in just a bit. Give us a little bit of histogram. Pull out the histogram. Zoom. What's our zoom right now? Oh, we're zoomed in, I know why. Okay. Move this back up a little bit. Right about there-ish? Is that north? How about this? Ish, maybe? How about that? Go on natural just with the white black. We are looking at the piercings, yep. We'll be a dark sky number, that's true. Why the green light? Just so it's a little bit easier to see. Like, I was trying for an easier contrast on the eyes. That's kind of what I was going for, basically. But you guys don't like the green. Put the kettle on, they heard it. Nice. What part of the country? Not ours, not the United States. It'll be more towards like Spain, UK, areas like that. Yeah, so it's just like, and if we just took off the green, obviously, just made everything black and white again. There's that purple, and I got to get rid of the hue shift. Take it back out. Maybe. Oh, we got like a bluish tint. Just whatever makes the stars look better. I have a hard time. I don't know. Say they're in England, yeah. Could pull out a little bit of the gamma stars just to be there. Missouri, Missouri. I don't know, what do you guys think? Like this? Good enough? Good enough, good enough? What's up, Gray? Near City, Kansas City. I feel like we could be a little bit wider though. Let's just go all the way in. So tough because then if we're all the way in, like this, we do get all the sky, like a lot more sky obviously. But it's gonna make the meteor so much smaller in our view. Hi Roman, thank you so much, buddy. Good to see you. Clouds again? No. I think everybody has been doing clouds, to be honest. Like the wide, yeah. The only thing, the difference is when you're really wide like this, then you're really faint, and like your really short meteors are really hard to see. Like really, really hard to see. Honestly, no. Combo have nothing crazy. As you can see here, it's always calm, super chill. The skies are beautiful. Oh, you guys see that one? Let me know if you guys seen that one. I just seen another flash right there. You guys seen that or no? Or is that a star? What is that? Maybe it's a star. Something like right here, flashing. Like right in that region. Is it a star or no? Or was that a flash of a meteor? I can't tell. It could have been a, maybe a star. Could have been a star. Yeah, little kick on the focuser. Oh, did you? Do you rewind? Like, I seen like 2 or 3 flashes, so it made me start thinking maybe it's a star. Hi, Lee, how are you doing? Believe the cam, that's right, believe the cam. Right now we're looking straight up and a bit to the north and east, but mostly we're looking straight up though. That's nearly the camera point straight up and a bit to the northeast. Come on, fireball. Let me see something here. Let me pull up the Skies Live website. Look at the lightning count. Huh, the lightning detector is actually not detecting anything, to be honest. It probably needs to reset or something. Probably needs a nice reset. I think it might be blinking. Yeah, I've seen it blink a few times. Wasn't sure if it was a star just like in the clouds messing with it or what. Oh, I definitely got in because of lightning. If the rain does get nearby, I got to shut down the observatory completely. The camera is outside the observatory, so I got to start moving all the equipment around, get it all set up and safe, obviously. If it's windy, then we got to strap everything down. Hi Delta, how are you? Meteor shower something's what's happening. Oh yeah, absolutely. Let's see, Perseids meteor showers, what's upcoming right now. It's one of the year's biggest meteor showers. It does peak on the 12th though. Yeah, a lot of electrical equipment in here. A lot of work to make sure stuff stays safe. There's been a few times I'll stream like storms, but I don't like doing it. Because obviously there's a lot going on in here. It looked like a lot like my says, maybe. You're not too far off from us. In fact, I'm gonna really watch those clouds there on the top. If they start to come in, we'll probably start shutting everything down. Surge protectors are your friend, yeah. But we actually have a whole house surge protector, which is really nice. Instead of like single surge protector per outlet, it's a whole house surge protector. But static electricity still travels through the air. It can do a lot of damage. Don't check early on. Not all. Mine's not. Mine has a slide off roof. It just basically works with a winch. It opens and closes it using gravity and winch. Surge protector, it helps stop like static noise, static noise to electric. That can cause things are fried. You guys see the satellite right there or no? Anybody see the satellite in the center? Let me know if you can see that. See the satellite there? I don't see it now. Hit for a second. Hey Trev, what's up, brother? How you doing, man? How's your day? UPS are really nice. All ladies are for me right now, 217.8. Currently 217. Oh, these storms look like they're going to get wild. Or at least the rain. Don't want no rain. Let me pull up the gain real quick. Let me do that. Let me take a quick photo. Let me take another photo. Like a 4-second photo. Get some more stars to pop real quick. Let's see the Milky Way and all the shooting stars and stuff. what's happening, what exactly is supposed to happen. Trying to be a vehicle. Like when you see a meteor go through, they'll create basically a line through the view here. They go really fast. So now we're going to run the camera a bit slower, meaning we're going to capture more exposure. I'll show you the Milky Way too here, as I continue to try to pull in everything. So you'll see the clouds out there, and then you'll start to make out the Milky Way as well here. So basically, the Milky Way's right here. You can kind of see the Milky Way band right there. What we look for on a meteor, it's just going to cause like a really quick little streak. Here we're taking 4-second photos, so every time it takes a photo, it's the last 4 seconds that it captures. Here's Andromeda Galaxy, by the way. Right here, it's going to be Andromeda Galaxy. So we can find a really quick meteor somewhere. Watch these clouds, they kind of bother us a little bit. Ah, absolutely, Paul. You're welcome. That's really cool. Okay. Other stars with no planets or planets without stars. So, yes and yes. Both are true. So, something like Vega, for example, it does not have any observed exoplanets around it. And then you see like jumbos over in the constellation Orion, near the Great Orion Nebula. These jumbos are like Jupiter-sized planets that are without a star, and they're binary too. It's really wild. They're actually binary, though they could have been like ejected or something, or they could have actually started to form as a star would, but then didn't have enough fuel or enough hydrogen to be able to get to the amount of pressure and heat that you would need to be able to ignite them. The stacking the images, no, these are just raw frames every 4 seconds right now. It's not flickering so much, yeah. Only thing is, like, it's not as exciting when you get like a fireball, because then you get like half a streak and then you get another half a streak, so it kind of gets you a little bit. Get you by a star? Well, sure, yeah, it's fraud. Don't do it. That's fake stuff. Don't do that, please. Can't see the number I got from where I am because it's way too low. Oh, okay. Okay, I got you. As long as the skies are clear, we'll be alright. That's true. That is true. I've been injected from solar systems. Yeah, absolutely. All systems are set up like our solar system. Oh no, not at all. Not at all, Ray. That planet's got yeah, absolutely. You can even have stars that are not inside the galaxies. Sometimes galaxies tend to fart stars out, which you could even have planets that get farted out in a similar method. How many meteorite? I got a meteorite, but it's from the moon, so it's a lunar meteorite. There are a lot of variables in the universe. Oh, true. So true. Yeah, absolutely, that's true. So true. So many variables. But if you find a star first, can you name it? Not technically how that works. Like asteroids, comets, after they've been verified, which means you got to verify the actual data, and it takes a while, right? So they can actually take a little bit of time, like 4 to 5 type years, to actually get it all verified. You can normally name those. Other objects, no, not so much. Then you can't even name it like after you. You can name it after another person, but you can't name it after you. That's kind of pretty crazy. Right now, of course, technically, yeah. FO stars, yeah. It's actually kind of funny when you think of like that term, farting out a star from your host galaxy. It's crazy, a really crazy term. I think I have a meteor, but I can't. They'd be big. They could be. Catch a foaming star and put it in your pocket. Can you save for a rainy day? Well, I mean a star. What's up, dude? How you doing, man? Haven't seen you in a minute, brother. Obviously, a star would have a lot of mass, a lot of heat. You'd never be able to put in your pocket, obviously. That would be pretty crazy, though. How you doing, dude? Your name's all different now. I recognize your profile picture, though. Recognize the profile picture. Sounds good, Solar. Sounds good. It is very rare. Not in the iron. Yeah. Sound technical. It checks. Farted out. You know. So funny. Have you seen any other galaxies inside the Milky Way? Your outpost. Oh yeah, of course. You can see one right now. Like right there's Andromeda right there. You can make out Andromeda. But we use a lot of telescopes and do that as well. Look out there and look at other galaxies that way. UFOs tonight? No. And what fell in the area? Ooh, in Pittsburgh, California. Just 5 minutes ago. Bright light. Yo, you got a meteor. Maybe a fireball. The bulb can reach the clouds. Or what is that light? Light bulb can reach the clouds or light. So, I mean, they're very reflective, obviously. H2O is very reflective. But a lot of the light that we're seeing is lightning itself being reflected off of it. Alright guys, I'm starting to get alerts that we're getting lightning nearby. You know what that means. I'm gonna have to jump off for a bit. We'll start shutting down most of the equipment here in the observatory. Make sure everything's protected before the rain comes in. Because, you know, having a metal camera sitting in the sky that's not designed for rain, it's not a good thing, obviously. But I'm going to jump off. Hopefully this passes right through and then we'll be back on tonight. If not, clear skies to y'all. Hope you guys have an amazing night. Have an absolutely amazing night and an amazing Sunday. Unless you're across the pond, then an amazing Sunday night and Monday coming up. But we'll see how things go after the rain and everything goes through. Hopefully it just clears the sky completely up, and a lot of that, sometimes it can get rid of a lot of that wildfire smoke that's even above us and gives us a crystal clear view. Crystal clear view is really amazing. Absolutely amazing when that occurs. So, but clear skies to y'all. Keep looking up. And hopefully I'll see you guys again tonight. But goodbye. We'll see y'all soon.